Hello friends, today we would be unboxing Google Home Mini. Small and mighty Google Home Mini can do anything that an assistant can do it for you. There are a lot of things that you can do with Google Home Mini, making your life more easier and organized. You can ask it to set alarms, set reminders, set appointments, or add events to your calendar. Ask any general question to it, and there you go, you will get your answer. Dictionary and encyclopedia is always ready with it. You can even call your friends and family with the help of it. And among AI devices, that is Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri, Google Assistant is best. When it comes to intelligence, I mean artificial intelligence, Google Assistant is the best. Siri or Alexa may not give you answers for all, but Google will provide you with a satisfactory answer or satisfying answer. And Google is extremely good in understanding no matter how slowly we speak or use simple sentences. Even if you say in short or in full sentence, it will understand you. Example, set an alarm for 6 a.m. and alarm 6 a.m. means the same. We did not be specific or say it as complete sentence for it to understand. Best part is it can understand almost any accent, or it can even understand children and old people. Even if you are sitting away from it, it will understand you. Even if you are sitting more than 12 to 15 meters, it will understand you easily. Setting it up is very easy. You just need to download Google Home app from App Store for Apple and from Play Store for Android. Plug in the Google device and wait until the voice prompts out. Once it prompts out, it will be automatically detected in your smartphone. If any update is there, it will be automatically be updated, and after completion it will restart. Just say hey Google or okay Google, and there you go. Your personal assistant is ready. You could connect Home Mini with more than thousands of smart devices and also multiple apps. For example, just say okay Google, play music on so and so app and on so and so device. It will be done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. Have a great day.